Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can find the embed code to your video recordings for your meetings in the Loom application. So let us get started. So let's assume, for instance, you would like to implement or embed your last video meeting here on Loom with your team, for instance, on your own website or in, I don't know, a website you run with your co-editors. So to do that, navigate to the Loom web application, log into your account, of course, and navigate to the video library just above meetings here on the left-hand side. In the video library, switch from screenshots to videos. You may either record in your Loom or you will see your already created meetings and recorded meetings here. For example, screen share recordings. So what you want to do is click into these three dots here, select the uppermost option, which is share. And here, guys, click into the top right corner icon, embed, and then you will see the embed code below. You may choose between fixed size and responsive size. Click into this button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Not the invitation link here in the bottom left, but the embed code here. Alternatively, there's also a thumbnail for GIF. If for the video thumbnail is in the GIF version or GIF. I don't know how you pronounce it. I usually say GIF. And then you see also the thumbnail code here. But if you'd like to use the embed code, you will see it here. Copy it to your clipboard and return to your website to embed it there using that code. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.